Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Hello. Thank you for watching my videos. It's Mike. It's February 18th, 2009. Okay, a quick one for you. Primarily a shout out to Americans. I've included a link on the side to a YouTube video that is probably quite appropriate to you. Please ignore the title of the video. I don't know why people put titles like that up. That's not what this video is about. But anyway, this video is about, basically it's a warning to Americans. This is what can happen if legislatures are allowed to introduce laws that inadvertently restrict your access to firearms and pistols. Now, you'd think that the Second Amendment of the Constitution would prevent governments from doing this kind of thing. And indeed it does. It prevents quite a bit. However, lawmakers are a tricky lot, and lawyers, what are you going to do with them? Well, also included in the side is a link to a bill that's being introduced in the state of Illinois, which people should really pay attention to. This bill, Firearm Owners ID Insurance. Now, of course, in Illinois, they have created the need to go and register yourself and get an identification to purchase a firearm and to possess a firearm. However, they're modifying this law, and what they'd like to do is now change it so that not only do you need to have identification and be approved for a firearm, now you also need, get this, you need to maintain a policy of liability insurance in the amount of at least $1 million, specifically covering any damages resulting from negligent or willful acts involving the use of such firearm while it is owned by such person. So basically they're saying, yeah, you can have a gun. You have to get some insurance for it, though. Madness. At the moment the bill has been introduced, it was introduced to the floor, has now gone through first reading and has been referred to the Rules Committee. Now the Rules Committee is primarily made up of Democrats. There's 3 Democrats and 2 Republicans on there. So you might want to go check these people out and see what their views are on all of this. It might be an idea for people in Illinois to actually contact these people, and I'll include the link to the legislation, and I'll include a link to the Rules Committee members list, which I believe, if I click on these people, will actually link to their contact details. Indeed it does. So, yeah, be very careful. They have ways of being rather tricky, and people in other states within the United States should be investigating their state legislatures to see, hang on a second, is anybody else trying to introduce legislation mandating insurance? Of course, the trick to all of this is if you understand legal speak. The law basically says any adult or any person, and if you understand what person actually means in law, as opposed to person in normal day-to-day conversation, you'll know there's a way around this. However, it would be better if there was no law to begin with. Okay, folks. Peace, love, understanding. Think about things.